So class, now let us learn about composite functions and the derivative of composite functions. So we start here with a picture, say a function g. Now this function g is from the set of real numbers r to the set of real numbers r, and say that this function take x to x squared. And for example, the real number minus 2 will be associated to 4 because x, a real number x, is associated to x squared. So as a notation, we will use g of x equal to x squared. G will take x to x squared. Also say a function f from the set of real numbers r to the set of real numbers r, and say f will take x to sine x. So in notation, we will use f of x equal to sine x. F will take x to sine x. So from two functions g and f, let us make into a single function. So that single function is called as the composite functions. So a composite function is a function which is composed of two or more functions. For example, we have taken the function g and the function f. Now g will take x to x squared. So under f, we know that under f, x will go to sine x. In this case, in the place of x, you already have x squared. So f will take x squared to sine x squared. So that is the composite of the function f and g. So from the picture you have just seen, now let us learn this notation. So f composite g of x. So f composite g will take x to what real number or to what function? So f composite g of x can be written as f of g of x on the other side, and we know that under g, x will be associated with x squared, so g of x will be x squared, and under f, x squared will be sine of x squared. So that is f composite g of x. Now you can try on your own to find out g composite f of x. Now you have a function sine x squared, which you already know it is a composite function. So the derivative of this composite function can be split into two parts. So the derivative of sine x squared with respect to x squared into derivative of x squared with respect to x on the right hand side. So you will be getting 2x cos x squared. Now derivative of x squared with respect to x, that is 2x, and the derivative of sine x squared with respect to x squared is cos x squared, because we know that the derivative of sine x with respect to x is cos x. The derivative of sine x squared with respect to x squared should be cos x squared. In case a constant is attached to the composite function or to any function, what we do is we simply take out the constant and we carry out the process just like you have seen before. So here, if you have a function minus 2 sine x squared, and the derivative of that is minus 4x cos x squared. So what is this minus 4x cos x squared? So minus 4x cos x squared is a formula to find out the slope of the tangent at any point on the graph of the function minus 2 sine x squared if we know that real number x which is on the x-axis. So how wonderful it is, the derivative of a function.